Hi, I'm Melina White. I'm the founder of the Seal Harbor Rug Company here in Manchester Center, Vermont, and we offer a wide variety of rug hooking wool. I have my 20-inch stretcher bars. Okay. They easily go together. I mean, how easy is that? Seriously. Okay, that should do it. Now I'm going to staple gun my corners, 2 on every seam. Easy peasy. Now we're going to flip it over and attach the tack strip. We want to make sure when we do hammer this on here that the angled tacks, they're angling out away from the project. There we have it. We're ready to stretch the fabric onto the frame. We're going to start by laying it over the frame and then gently pulling evenly around the edges. The backing has to be drum tight. Nothing else will do. The fabric has a lot of elasticity, and that's what's holding your stitches in. If it's loose, your stitches will pull right out. That's tight as a drum. So now we are going to cover these nails so that we don't get injured. All right, now we're ready to get our design on there. The next step is to outline your project. All right, this is my stitch gauge. On my 2 outer rows, I'm going to use 6 stitches per inch. I'm taking the center of the ball. I'm going to just twist this yarn so I can thread it through the eye hook, through the hole in the front of the needle, and pull back. You have to start a little bit in from the corner. I'm on my line. You'll notice I'm not pulling up too far. I am simply looking for the line I drew, going over 2 holes and pushing the needle all the way to the top. So I'm going to check my stitches, make sure I've got the 6 per inch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I came to the end of the first row. Now I'm going to jump up and inside and double up. I am aiming my needle to the middle of the stitch that I just put in. It's going to look fabulous. We actually offer 240 colors of rug wool. We also sell these grab bags. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the sand grab bag as my backing, and then I'm going to incorporate some of the red and the variegated in my heart. Trusty gauge, not bad, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm making some great headway mapping the hearts out. We just want to put a little bit of each color in so that you're sure it's okay. I've done the first row, now I'm working on the second row. I am going to just keep going around the outside until the heart gets smaller and smaller. So all I have to do is train my eye to look to the middle of the stitch, and that's where I want to push the hook through. So for hooking the background, we're going to be using the hit or miss style. I'm breaking the background up actually into smaller areas by doing this. Now, let's take a look at the back side. This is everywhere I changed colors, and in order to finish your project, all you're going to want to do is take your scissors and clip those off. Once I get the other 3 corners completed, I'm going to take this off the frame. I'm going to take a dish towel, get it wet, and press it with an iron. And that way the steam will set the stitches where they are. So, I guess you could get started with a hooking project with what you learned today from that. To check out all of our wool and our kits, go to sealharborrug.com and you can shop right there on our website.